this is the Causeway Bay. Their fashion week is also right here. Fashion walk. This is the fashion walk in Causeway Bay. So you're gonna ride MTR, and then there's a stairs on the way up, or escalator, and this is where you're gonna see the fashion walk. It's a busy street, guys. Wow, look at what I found. I found a Jollibee here. They have IKEA here. They have H&M. If you can see, there's McDonald's right there. McDonald's ang tama. And then Paklok Medical. Guniti ka nimbuhi sa akong kamot, oh. Lush Handmade Cosmetics. Bell. You want McDonald's? Or you want something else? Maybe right here. Oh, there's 7-Eleven. This is the herbal stuff right here. Do we have Hong Kong dollar change also? So okay guys, it's gonna be a short video. This is in the Causeway Bay area where there's a lot of shopping areas. It's mostly outdoor, it's not inside the mall.